Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So it is cold and tonight I am making smothered hash browns. So I thought I would bring you all along. This is the gravy. You can use your canned sausage gravy. We are using the dried hash browns. So I have those rehydrated. You just add water and rehydrate them. And then we are going to do some scrambled eggs, and you can use your dried eggs or your fresh eggs or your glassed eggs or your frozen eggs, whatever kind of eggs that you have. I have used powdered milk to make the gravy. You can use your home canned sausage, your frozen sausage. You're needing to cook your stuff. But this weather, if it's cold weather, you can utilize that weather to refrigerate your food so you don't lose it. Just put it in a cooler and put it outside or in one of those storage bins, whatever you have. So I have my gravy going. I'm going to add some bacon drippings to that pan back there. Get it hot. And cook my hash browns to a golden brown. You can also make biscuits. And you can do biscuits in a cast iron skillet, either in your fireplace, over a fire, or on your camp stove, your butane stove, whatever you have. Just do it very low heat. Then you'll want to flip them over. So this is a super easy pantry meal, especially if you use the canned gravy or your home canned gravy. Quite. So I got my gravy done. And I'll mix up some eggs. And then you just fry your hash browns. And we will layer it up. Okay, they're sizzling over there. That's all you do. Your hash browns. Let them fry to a golden brown on one side, and you can either remove them or flip them over for the other side. So I'm going to cook those until they're brown, do this gravy, and then scramble my eggs. So I'll be back. Okay, our hash browns are done. I'm going to add some butter to this little, I call this my egg skillet. scramble our eggs. We have that weather coming, so I want to keep up on my dishes. No dirty dishes, no dirty laundry. But I'm hoping for the best. They say they fixed everything. There's a guy who says they couldn't have fixed everything. I think we'll be fine. So we're just going to scramble our eggs. I like breakfast for dinner. Do you guys like breakfast for dinner? Get my plate. One more flip on the eggs. Break them up a little. Turn the heat off. Put them on top of our hash browns. Do it the easy way. Our gravy. And smother it. And that's it, you guys. Clean up the mess a little bit. Could add some black pepper if you wanted. You could also do this with bacon gravy. Just use bacon drippings to make your gravy. If you don't have canned gravy, your powdered milk, some flour, and you are good to go. So there's our bite. Let's see. It's yummy. So, smothered hash browns from the pantry. Y'all can do it. So I hope y'all are doing well. You stay warm out there. Get all your ducks in a row. I hope nobody else loses power. And stay warm and cozy. Have some hot cocoa with marshmallows or whatever. Hot apple cider. Whatever you like. So y'all take care. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video.